Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nayeli. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I have a fun short video for you. I have a TikTok so you can follow me there, but I've been really into TikTok and I saw there's this like whipped coffee TikTok drink with only 3 ingredients, and I guess it's very popular in Greece or something like that. Not very sure about the history of it, but I'm like, it's coffee. I love coffee. I have coffee all the time. So I really wanted to give it a try, and if it's super easy to make, why not? I make coffee on the sweeter side, so I don't know if I'll really like it, but maybe. We'll see. We'll try to see how this works. 3 ingredients, it's instant coffee, sugar, and hot water. And you are going to put the sugar and the hot water and the coffee and mix it until you get a whipped consistency. I did hear that you have to mix it for a really long time in order for you to get that. So that's what we're gonna do because I don't have like a little mixer with me at the moment. So yeah. And then we'll give it a taste test. I am going to take you to the kitchen and we are going to whip that up and then see how it tastes. But yeah, please don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. It will help me out a lot if you subscribe and click that little bell notification. I hope you enjoy this video and you can follow me on my social media. I do have Instagram and TikTok as well. So without further ado, let's go to the kitchen. Okay, so here it is, the famous whipped coffee. That's the best that I was able to do. My hand was getting tired. I only like whisked for like 5 minutes, but let me see. Tastes like almond. That's actually very good. I could taste. Yep. Since I added like 2 tablespoons of sugar, another tablespoon of sugar at the end, I didn't really whisk it well, but I feel like it looks like a normal coffee now. It's really good, but I don't know if I would want to make this every single day. I think I'll make this just whenever I'm feeling like bougie and stuff. I give it a 3.5 out of 5 stars just because it is very time consuming and it's not like, oh my gosh, it's the best coffee in the world. It's good. It's good. I'm almost gonna finish it, but yeah, I rate this a 3.5 stars out of 5. So there you go. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. It was a fun little video for me to shoot. It was super fun because I love coffee and I feel energized. Now, if you want to give it a try, go ahead and let me know if you liked it or not. So thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Remember that if today wasn't a good day, there will always be a better tomorrow. God loves you. I love you. Sending you a lot of kisses, a lot of hugs, a lot of warm coffee hugs. And I will talk to you on my next video. Bye-bye.